Hi, my name is Nick, and this tooltip is unpacking a file. Most people, when they create a file, will add their own elements and materials to the file to give it that custom touch. However, when you go to share this file with another user, they will not have those textures that created that custom touch. In Envisioneer, we have a Pack Resources option, which will allow you to pack the file with all of those added textures. This is actually stored under the File, Save As option. And when you go to save this, you'll actually see a Pack Resources checkbox. And you'll notice that it says increases file size. So whenever you use this Pack Resources option, it is recommended to give it a slightly different name. So that way you know which file is being used that has all of the added textures to it. So here I'm just going to go in and say dashed, and I'm going to say packed. And I'm just going to save that right to my desktop, and I'm going to say save. This file can now be sent to anybody that you want to send it to, and all of your added textures will be included in the file itself. We hope this tooltip helps you moving forward. If you like what we're creating, be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you have comments, please let us know below. Thank you.